Hello guys.
Hello.
Ryan, Naila, what are you having today?
I'm having pizza, rice, and chicken with fat cook.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Really, Eliasa?
Yes.
What are you having today?
I'm having two pizzas and water and chicken and rice and fat cook.
Okay, enjoy your food.
Okay. Thank you. Guys, you must say Daddy will bring chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yes.
Okay, if you eat nice, I will give you chocolate. Eat first, okay?
Even cookie with chocolate.
Yeah, there's cookie, there's also chocolate, but you must first eat your lunch. Okay.
Mommy, cookie stuff. Okay.
How's your food, guys?
Good.
Okay. Really? How's your food?
Good.
Okay.
I take it.
Okay.
Mommy, this food is so yummy.
Okay. Really?
Yes.
How's your pizza?
Good.
Okay, enjoy.
Okay.
Good.
Look. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Thank you, Mommy, for the food. Yeah. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Okay. Mommy, you said if we eat nice, then you will give us snacks.
Okay, I will give you now.
Okay. Thank you, Mama.
You are welcome.
Okay. Thank you, Mommy.
You are welcome.
Okay. Mommy, I want to go sit there.
Okay.
Mommy, I want to go sit there.
Okay. Are you enjoying?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.